Here's part 10, air balancing. In the air balancing step, you get a chance to review and edit your airflows for each space, zone, and system. The CFMs here are based on your loads, system configuration, and/or outside air requirements. When you click on a space, you'll see the CFMs displayed in the space data box. Here you can override these CFMs to match what you're looking for, or just review and confirm that they all make sense. When you go to zones, you'll be able to see a similar review of the CFMs on the zonal level. You'll notice here that a lot of these values are grayed out. In order to edit these, you'll have to go back to the spaces to change them there. That's because these values are derived from the space level. The same goes for the system level, where you can see your system totals. Here you can adjust outside air and relief to your central unit. Now, a little bit about how changing CFMs here impacts your loads. After you do your system configuration, HVAKR does a first pass on your load calculations, and you get preliminary coil sizing. When you change your CFMs here, your loads are updated based on your new airflows going in and out of your unit. So the air mixing calculations that we do, the cyclometrics that we do, those will be updated based on the CFMs that you finalize in this step. Once you're satisfied with your airflows, you're done. On to the load summary and reports.